Hello, I am Dr. Utkarsh Shukla, a consultant dermatologist. So today I'll be giving you some insight regarding the role of shampoo, conditioner, and hair serums in managing hair fall and how can you take care of your long hair better. So a shampoo, as we all know, is not only provides the cleaning of the scalp skin but and hair as its primary function, but in addition also serves to condition and beautify hair. It is also used as an adjunct in various dermatological therapies. So to avoid drying your hair fibers or hair strands, we should apply shampoo over the scalp only. So there are several reasons why you should shampoo your hair frequently. They are cleansing of hair. So water or soap alone is not enough to remove the oil or debris from your scalp. So shampoo has an adjunct effect, so that can help us get rid of the excess oil or the dirt products, improving your hair hygiene. Excess oil with dirt and the dead skin cells can lead to odor in the hair and scalp. So frequent shampooing removes this odor and improves the overall hair hygiene. That can protect us from the various bacterial and fungal infection of the hair scalp. Treating various scalp condition. Shampoo again helps is us in treating seborrheic dermatitis, which also is caused due to improper hair hygiene. Treatment for hair loss. Various formulations of shampoo are known to inhibit the DHT hormone that acts on our hair follicle and leads to hair thinning and hair loss. So shampoo can help in preventing hair loss by inhibiting that hormone. Role of conditioner. Conditioner is a hair care product which improves the feel, appearance, and manageability of hair. Its main purpose is to reduce friction between the hair strands and to provide moisture. So it is a necessity or a very healthy habit to use a conditioner after your shampooing. Role of serum. Hair serum is a styling product that coats our hair and sits on the top of our hair fibers, which is a basically silicone based rubber like substance that protects us from the friction and frequent wear and tear and provides us with the shine and the uh, reduced frizz from the hair. So hair serum can benefit your hair in several ways, that it controls the frizz, protects the hair against damage from wear and tear of comb, boosts the smoothness, reduces the tangle, promotes shine. Shine, the sometimes of silicons in use in the hair serum can help reflect light and improve the overall appearance. So how to take care of your long hair better? It takes an extra effort for the styling and washing and drying of your long hair, because the long hair are easily can easily lead to dryness of the scalp. So here are the best tips for taking care of it. That is the using the right brush. Combing the with fine bristles can lead to friction and wear and tear. So it is preferred to use a broadened toothed brush with a wooden brush is probably more preferable. Hydrating hair regularly. Uh, Long hair tends to dry out more frequently as we have discussed. So we should be hydrating it more frequently. Trim your hair often. So cutting or trimming the hair periodically can help us reduce the with the split ends. So we should trim our hair more often. Deeply hydrating it. Using a deeply hydrating therapy twice or once a week will help considerably to reduce the amount of frizz. Using a heat protectant wraps the hair shaft and acts as a protective barrier. So it is advisable to use a heat protectant serum. Using hair bands that don't pull our hair at the roots. Try not to overwash hair because the natural oil and uh, secretions from the glands help us to smoothen the hair and improve the overall look of the hair. So it is washing them twice or thrice a week is preferable. Daily washing is should be avoided. Wash your hair the right way, keeping the water at the optimum temperature. It is advised. Too hot or too cold water can damage your hair shaft and leads to the increased dryness in your hair scalp. In your scalp. So the key points that are a shampoo not only provides the cleaning of scalp, skin, and hair as its primary function, but in addition also serves to condition and beautify hair. To avoid drying out your hair ends, you should apply the shampoo to your scalp only. Hair conditioner is a hair care product used to improve the feel, appearance, and manageability of hair. Depending on product's formula, a hair serum might reduce frizz, add shine, or strengthen your hair. Some formulas may also protect against various forms of damage. For best result, always seek the expert's advice. Thank you so much.